What's he doing?
He's putting the
Look, he's putting the bag on.
he put the food
Oh, in his pants? It looks like you put him in his pants. Is he gonna hop? He's gonna cross the street right now. He just put his feet in the bag. Just funny. Oh, did you see that water almost got him, huh? That car?
Oh, he's dedicated.
Everybody stop and start.
Oh my god.